Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Deepbook token. Ticker symbol is DEEP. Now this token is getting a bunch of brand new central exchange listings on some very big central exchanges, and we're gonna go over the information on the Deepbook token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can see by the Twitter in the corner of the screen here, at Deepbook on SWE. You could probably guess which chain this token is on here. It says Deepbook protocol on SWE, gold, verified checkmark, 930 posts. Has a link to their webpage right there. Deepbook.tech, 29,000 Twitter followers. It says the premier decentralized liquidity layer for builders, traders, and the broader DeFi community, exclusively on the SWE network. Now, if you scroll down in their Twitter, you're going to find a bunch of listing announcements. So one of them, recently, they just posted the DEEP token is coming to a Bybit spot trading platform. So that is one place you'll be able to get the token. Another one I saw on here, I believe, was Gate. So it is going to be listed on gate.io. So a couple different places. So basically you could either download Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account on your PC at gate.io, or you could download Bybit, same thing. And then when the token gets listed, you can follow their Twitter here. They're going to announce exactly when the listing date will be. You go into the trade section, you would search DEEP, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, they do have, oh, here it is right here. So the listing time exactly for Bybit is going to be October 14th, 10 a.m. UTC time. So that's when you can get it off Bybit. Probably around the same time will be Gates and other central exchange listings. Now, if you don't want to use a central exchange, or maybe some of these central exchanges are not available in your country, most likely it'll also be on decentralized exchanges. For SWE, there's a bunch of them, Cetus, Bluemove, and Turbos Finance. You could use a SWEET wallet, or there's one called just a SWE wallet. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Fund your wallet with SWE, go into the dApps, find any one of those DEXs where it gets listed, and then buy the token. Now, you'll be able to see the chart on DEX Screener. It'll tell you which liquidity pools are available on DEXs, and you could find somewhere to get it on there. Now, if you go to their webpage, deepbook.tech, you can find a link to their Twitter, but then also a Discord, document section, trade now button, vision, trade on Deepbook, and information on the DEEP token. So, or you could skip right to their document section. If you go to docs.swe.io/standards/Deepbook. Deepbook is the next generation decentralized central limit order book, a CLOB, built on SWE. Deepbook leverages SWE's parallel execution and low transaction fees to bring a highly performant, low latency exchange on chain. The latest development iteration of Deepbook is version 3, the Deepbook v3. Now, Deepbook v3 is currently available in both DevNet and TestNet. Deepbook v2 is the current mainnet iteration of Deepbook. Now, Deepbook v3 is scheduled to replace Deepbook v2 on mainnet in the second half of 2024. So they have here information on Deepbook v3. It's the next generation decentralized central limit order book. Now, it says they leverage SWI's parallel execution, low transaction fees, high performance, low latency. The latest version delivers new features, including flash loans, governance, improved account abstraction, and enhancements to the existing matching engine. This version also introduces its own tokenomics with the Deep token, which you can stake for additional benefits. Deepbook does not include an end-user interface for token trading. Rather, it offers built-in trading functionality that can support token trades from decentralized exchanges, wallets, or other apps. The available SDK abstracts away from a lot of complexities of interacting with the chain and building programmable transaction blocks, lowering the barrier of entry for active market making. So the Deep token is used to pay for trading fees on the exchange, so it is a utility token for the ecosystem. Future upgrades will allow users to pay trading fees using the input token. By owning, using, and staking Deep, you will continue to provide benefits to active Deepbook traders on the SWI network. Users that stake Deep can enjoy taker and maker incentives. Taker incentives can reduce trading fees by half, dropping them as low as 0.25 basis points on stable pairs and 2.5 BPS on volatile pairs. Maker incentives and rebates earned based on maker volumes generated. So there's also liquidity support. You could read all about that. Transparency and privacy. Now they have whole sections here on the design, the balance manager, query of the pool, orders, swaps, flash loans, staking and governance, Deepbook v3 SDK, the Deepbook v2, SWI object display wallet standard, and they have tons of links on their webpage. And this token is going to get a whole bunch of very big central exchange listings soon. So make sure you check out the Twitter right here, Deepbook on SWI. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.